COVID-19 vaccine mix is becoming an important topic these days. Today, I am going to talk about Covishield and Covaxin mix. Let's see whether it is a good idea to mix Covishield and Covaxin. You all know that Covishield is a viral vector vaccine. That is, a chimpanzee adenovirus is taken which cannot replicate. In it, the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein encoding gene is inserted. Now, this adenovirus vaccine is injected in our body. So, our body will be armed with antibodies against SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. On the other hand, Covaxin is an inactivated whole virion vaccine. Here, a SARS-CoV-2 virus is taken and it is inactivated so that it cannot replicate, and then it is injected in our body. So, you can understand that Covishield and Covaxin are made on two different technology. Let's see what happens when they are mixed. 18 people were given Covishield as the first dose and Covaxin as the second dose in Uttar Pradesh. So, the scientists wanted to see whether this mix is safe or not. The age of the participants were about 62 years. For a comparison, they took 40 participants who got both doses of Covishield at 6-week gap and 40 participants who got both doses of Covaxin at 4 weeks apart. They compared the safety and efficacy of the different groups on the 9th week. Let's call the Covishield group CS, the Covaxin group CV, and the third one Covishield followed by Covaxin as mixed group. The safety of Covishield and Covaxin is already established. But what about the mixed group? It was found that the mixed group had no adverse side effect following immunization. Only pain in the injection site was most common. Some had fever and a feeling of discomfort. However, it was pretty similar with the CS and CV group. So it seems that mixed group has similar side effects like CS and CV group. That means mixed group is safe. Let's see about the efficacy of the mixed vaccine now. Our immune system has two basic mechanisms to defend against pathogen. One of them is humoral, that is by producing various kinds of antibodies, and the other is cellular with the help of T cells. It was found that the antibody response was significantly higher in the mixed group compared to the CS or CV group. That is pretty encouraging, isn't it? However, there was no major change in the generalized cellular immunity among the different groups. Now let's see how good the vaccine mix is on different variants. Good amount of neutralizing antibody was produced against all the variants. Higher neutralizing antibody was produced against alpha variant, followed by delta variant, and least amount of neutralizing antibody was produced against the beta variant. In all these three groups, the neutralizing antibody was less compared to the B1 strain from which these variants originated. Thus, to conclude, Covishield-Covaxin mix is found to be safe, produces more neutralizing antibody, and effective against different variants. The Drug Controller General of India has given approval for vaccine mix study on 11th of August 2021. However, there are certain limitations of the study which you should know. Firstly, the study was done on only 18 participants, which is a very low number. Clinical trial needs thousands of people, so the study should be conducted on a larger sample size. Moreover, the follow-up was only for 60 to 70 days after vaccination of the first dose, and the authors did not have any idea about the antibody level before vaccination. So, we don't know how much antibody was there at the beginning for each subject. Thirdly, the study was done on the older population, so the side effects might be milder. It is likely that when the study is done on a younger generation, the side effects might increase. But so far, so good. Seems like these two vaccine mix is working. Let's wait for a larger study now. That's it for today, guys. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.